Demo mode is a built-in feature in Escort radar detectors like the MAX 360C and IX, designed for in-store demonstrations. It simulates radar and laser alerts without needing real signals, bypassing the antenna. This helps users understand the device's interface and alerts without actually detecting radar. However, getting stuck in demo mode prevents real radar detection. We'll show you how to fix that. Several factors can cause your Escort radar detector to get stuck in demo mode. Let's examine the most common reasons one by one. Common reasons include firmware glitches, especially in older models pre-2024. These glitches stem from outdated software that can corrupt the device's memory, causing it to remain stuck in demo mode despite attempts to exit. A dead or replaced battery can sometimes trigger this issue. When the battery is changed or dies during use, the device may reset improperly, activating demo mode as a default state. Also, desynchronization with the Escort Live app can cause problems. If the app and device lose connection due to poor Wi-Fi or version mismatches, the detector can't sync properly and gets stuck. Finally, failed updates are a major culprit. If a firmware update is interrupted or fails to complete, it can leave the device in demo mode, requiring manual intervention. These are the primary factors that can cause your Escort radar detector to get stuck in demo mode. Understanding these reasons helps in preventing and troubleshooting the issue. Let's look at the fixes. Before diving into more complex solutions, try a soft reset. Hold the power button for about 5 seconds to reboot the device. If that doesn't work, try power cycling. Turn the detector off, unplug it from any power source like your car's cigarette lighter, wait 30 seconds, and then turn it back on. These simple steps often resolve minor software glitches. The most effective solution is updating your Escort radar detector's firmware. This addresses demo mode lockouts by installing the latest software fixes. First, connect the detector to your computer using a USB cable. Next, visit Escort's official website and download the latest firmware for your specific model. Then, follow the on-screen instructions to install the update. The newest firmware versions, like 1.4.2 for the MAX 360C, often include fixes for demo mode lockouts. Make sure to have a stable internet connection during the update. The Escort Live app, available on iOS and Android, provides a convenient way to remotely troubleshoot your radar detector. This method can override stuck demo mode settings and restore normal operation. First, download and install the Escort Live app from your device's app store. This free app is available for both iOS and Android devices. Next, pair your Escort radar detector with the app. Turn on Bluetooth on both your smartphone and detector, then select your specific Escort model from the app's device pairing menu to establish a connection. Once paired, navigate to the app's settings or device controls section. Find the option to exit demo mode or force a mode change. Selecting this will override the stuck demo setting and restore your detector to normal radar detection mode. Finally, ensure your phone and detector maintain a stable Bluetooth connection throughout the process. The app needs this wireless link to communicate with your detector and apply the mode change. If the connection drops, the fix may not take effect. If software fixes don't work, a hardware reset might be necessary. This is considered a last resort because it involves physically accessing the device. First, locate the reset hole on your device. It's usually a small pinhole on the back or side of the radar detector. Next, use a paperclip or pin to gently press and hold the reset button inside the hole for a few seconds. Make sure the device is powered on. This action will restore the device to its factory settings, potentially clearing the demo mode lock. However, be aware that this will erase any custom settings you've configured, such as alert preferences or display options. Check if your Escort radar detector model was part of the December 2025 recall. Escort offered free replacements for approximately 50,000 units affected by the demo mode issue. Visit Escort's website or contact their customer service to see if your device qualifies. If all else fails, contacting Escort support directly is your best bet. Radar detector technology is evolving. Newer models incorporate AI-driven diagnostics that can self-detect and correct demo mode errors. Regularly update your device's firmware and use the Escort Live app for maintenance. Future detectors will likely integrate seamlessly with vehicle infotainment systems, potentially eliminating demo mode altogether. Staying proactive with updates will prevent these issues. As of March 2026, the problem is largely mitigated for new purchases, but persists in older devices.